I just wanted to show a couple of glitches. I think the Vic Emergency app needs to be looked at. One is in particular on the iPad here with the app. If you click on the last event, which was 13 minutes ago, so we can view on that. Let's have a look at that. Open the app up, and the first thing it does is it brings up a map of the actual event. In this case it's a bushfire, and the map there is zoomable, so you can zoom in and out. But my gripe is I'm using this on an iPad too, and of course we have the details. It's safe. It's at 331 today, 0.01 of a hectare, and we can zoom in. But what's all this other space here? That seems like a wasted bit of real estate. If you're talking apps, there's almost whole half of a screen is just of nothing. But I thought, oh well, maybe it's just the event. Maybe they want to detail more stuff down here, which they haven't got here. But I mean, I've got the website up on my TV, my smart TV, and even the smart TV seems to have a lot of wasted real estate. So over here, okay, the smart TV's got Vic Emergency website up, and we've got a map of Victoria here. We've got smaller sections, what they call zones or districts, and in the certain districts you've got these borders, and of course we've got a bushfire over here, and bushfires here and here and over here as well. Now you need to zoom in to see those in more detail. I don't have an issue with that. You can zoom in nicely with the application on either the iPad or the smart TV. The thing that I have, and that, there's that fire, bushfire's just popped up just then. That was on the iPad. So there's a bit of a delay. Last updated at 3:45. So yeah. No, the issue I have with even this website on the smart TV is all this wasted real estate up here. Why do they need to have such big wordings and waste all of this part of the TV when they could push that over to this way a bit, have a couple of drop down bars, or even just have a bar along the top there with tabs, and have the tabs in there, you know, for your warnings and your messages. That's come up. It's a building damage. Looks like we've got some building under flooding and building damage there in Lee and Gaffer. Yeah, so I just want to see what this actual app does when you change it from portrait to landscape. Let's see. Okay, landscape. Yeah, so we've still got half of the map on the screen, and the other half is just of, well, blank, whatever you want to call that. I mean, we've got this little bit of details here, but the rest of it, nearly the whole half of the screen is just wasted space. So that's no improvement. And on the laptop, or on a computer screen, it's a lot better. The layout is a lot better. We've got more of a map. Our tabs are along the top here, and we're on map view. We can change it to both, and that gives us our warnings down the side. And we can just go list, of course, which gives us a list, and we can scroll down that list. But I think the map view virtually says it all. You can zoom in, zoom out. You can see that there's a fairly red area there, which suggests that there's a current warning out that is impending danger. But yeah, this computer screen view is a hell of a lot better than trying to view it on a smart TV. And just wait for the light to adjust there. Okay, so I've just had a bit of a play with this app and found a feature that I was unaware of, and let me just bring that up and show you. So if we go back to another one of these emergency pop-up screens to bring the app up, and we get this zoomed in map of the area where the emergency is. We've got the emergency type and location, and the current status, and then we have all this wasted space here. Over in this corner, which I didn't see earlier, is a cross, and if I can zoom in close enough you'll be able to see it. So if we click on that cross, that then brings up all the current warnings for that actual area of that map in that area, and we've got the maps tab here. If we click on the map tab, it gives us a full map. So there we get a full map on the iPad, but that still doesn't help when it comes to the smart TV. On the smart TV, there's no option to give you a full map. You still have this wasted space here with those tabs. Over here is a menu button. If you press on the menu button, all that does is give you the chance to change your password, login details, and your watch zones. So at this stage I've got 3 watch zones, and I can go into those watch zones from that menu and change the size of the watch zones, or delete them, or add more watch zones to the area if I wish to. But there's actual no other option to clear all of this wasted real estate in this smart TV's application. So when it comes to the smart TV, I think the website or the app needs to have a lot more work done to it.